Hi, this is Arlene. So anyway, I went for a jog because I I had stopped jogging because I was getting uh, targeted at the back of my thighs. So I had ordered knee braces, and they came. So I still get targeted, like in my sleep and at work, in my back, like where my kidneys are and my lungs are. So, anyways, I was finally able to jog, and I guess I had just a lot of phlegm sitting there. Now, I was power walking, and there's a ramp. It's a 2-story ramp that you go up to cross the street. So I had jogged it, and I had been walking it backwards, at a fast pace and putting my arms up. And I would cough. I thought that was enough. But apparently, apparently, it's not enough. So next time they target my thighs, I'm gonna probably just have to wrap them or something. Put some ointment and wrap them. I just started meditation, and I'm on that 30-day challenge, but seems like once I go past day 1, I forget to do it. So I have to be mindful and remind myself, probably put it on my calendar with an alarm that I have to do it. So if you do get targeted in the chest, jogging just seems to help clear out your lungs. But when you stop like me, it sucks. I already peed in my pants a little bit from the coffee earlier. So right now I'm just walking backwards and getting my breath again. But so anyways, I just wanted to share that. And I'm going to go back to my exercising. Bye.